Hello all, I'm Dr. Madhura, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. I'll be teaching a topic today on integral theorems, Gauss divergence theorem. Statement: if V is the volume bounded by a surface S and vector F is a continuously differentiable vector function, then triple integration over V divergence of vector F dV is equal to double integral over S F dot n cap ds, where n cap is a positive unit vector drawn normal to S. Let us see problems on Gauss divergence theorem. First question: to evaluate double integral over S F dot n cap ds, given vector F is equal to xi plus yj plus zk over the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. The statement of the Gauss divergence theorem says double integral over S F dot n cap ds is equal to triple integration over V divergence of vector F dV. Evaluating divergence of vector F, del dot F. Del is an operator given by dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk, dot product with the given vector F, that is xi plus yj plus zk. Performing the dot product between these two vectors, recalling the property that I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1 and k dot k is equal to 1. The rest all dot products are 0. So we get dou by dou x of x is equal to 1. Dou by dou y of y is equal to 1. Similarly, dou by dou z of z is equal to 1. Adding up, divergence of vector F is equal to 3. Substituting in the Gauss divergence formula, double integration over S F dot n cap ds will be equal to triple integral over V. Divergence of vector F is 3, so we get 3 dV, which can be written as 3 into the volume V, where V is the volume of the sphere of radius A, which is represented by x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square, and the volume is equal to 4 pi a cube divided by 3. So substituting the value of the volume, we have double integral over S F dot n cap ds is equal to 3 into V. So we are substituting it as 3 into 4 pi a cube divided by 3. Simplifying, the answer is 4 pi a cube. We'll see another problem on Gauss divergence theorem. Question: if vector F is equal to 2xy into I plus yz square into j plus xz into k, and S is the rectangular parallelepiped bounded by x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 3. Evaluate double integral over S F dot n cap ds. From Gauss divergence theorem formula, double integral over S F dot n cap ds is given by triple integral over V divergence of vector F dV. Evaluating divergence of vector F first, del dot F. So dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk, dot product with the given vector F function. Performing the dot product, we get dou by dou x of 2xy is 2 into y. With respect to x differentiation, 2y, x is differentiation is 1, so 2y into 1 is 2y. Next, dou by dou y of yz square is z square. Differentiation of y is 1, so 1 into z square is z square. Next, dou by dou z of x into z is, with respect to z, when we differentiate, we get x into 1, which is x. Substituting the divergence of vector F in the formula for Gauss divergence theorem, we obtain double integral over S f dot n cap ds is equal to triple integration over V. Divergence of vector f is 2y plus z square plus x into dx dy dz. Now, the integral limits are given in the question. We observe from the question that x varies from 0 to 2, y varies from 0 to 1, and z varies from 0 to 3. Substituting the same thing in the triple integration, we need to now integrate 2y plus z square plus x with respect to z, later with respect to y, and with respect to x. So we have the innermost integral is with respect to z. So integration with respect to z gives us 2y constant. Integration of 1 dz is z. Integration of z square dz is z cube divided by 3. Integration of x dz. X is a constant, writing as it is. Integration of 1 dz is z. Applying the limits between z is equal to 0 to 3. With the concept upper limit minus lower limit, we get 6y plus 9 plus 3x. Now we need to integrate the 6y plus 9 plus 3x with respect to y. So with respect to y, 6 into integration of y dy is y square divided by 2. Simplifying, we obtain 3y square. Integration of 9 is, with respect to y, is 9 into y. Integration of 3x dy, 3x is a constant, writing as it is. Integration of 1 dy is y. Applying the limits, y is equal to 0 to 1, writing dx as it is. Now performing the limits for y varying from 0 to 1 with the concept upper limit minus lower limit, the simplified expression is 12 plus 3x. Under the integration, x is equal to 0 to 2 dx. Integration of 12 is 12 into x. Integration of 3x is 3 into x square divided by 2. Applying limits between 0 to 2, upper limit minus lower limit concept, the simplified answer for the given function is 30 using Gauss divergence theorem. We'll see another problem on Gauss divergence theorem to evaluate double integration over S f dot n cap ds, where vector f is given as x square minus yz into I plus y square minus zx into j plus z square minus xy into k. Taken over the rectangular parallelepiped, x varying from 0 to a, y varying from 0 to b, and z varies from 0 to c. This indirectly gives us the limits for x, y, z. Gauss divergence theorem is given by double integration over S f dot n cap ds is equal to triple integration over V divergence of vector f into dv. Finding divergence of vector f, it is dou by dou x of f1. Component f1 is x square minus yz, observing the I component from vector f, plus dou by dou y of f2, that is j component, which is y square minus zx, and dou by dou z of f3, z square minus xy. The k component is f3. Substituting here, we have dou by dou z of f3, that is z square minus x into y. Now performing the differentiation with respect to x partially, x square differentiation is 2x, yz is a constant, so differentiation goes to 0. With respect to y, partial differentiation of y square is 2y. Zx differentiation goes to 0 since they are constant. Differentiation of z square partially with respect to z is 2z. Differentiation of x into y with respect to z partially is 0. So 2 into x plus y plus z is the answer for divergence of vector f. We will substitute that under the triple integration over v, divergence of vector f dv. So divergence of vector f is 2 times of x plus y plus z. into dv can be written as dz, dy, dx respectively. And the integral limits from the question: x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to b, and z varies from 0 to c. Performing the triple integration in the right hand side, we can obtain the answer for Gauss divergence. So let's perform the integration. 2 is a constant, writing outside the integrations. Integration of x plus y plus z with respect to z first. Innermost integral is with respect to z. So x into integration of 1 dz is z plus y into integration of 1 dz is z. Integration of z dz is z square divided by 2. Upper limit. For z, we are applying the limits. So upper limit is c, lower limit is 0. Applying the limits, we will get cx plus cy plus c square divided by 2. Now performing the integration with respect to y, cx is a constant, writing as it is. Integration of 1 dy is y. C is a constant, writing as it is. Integration of y dy is y square divided by 2. Plus c square divided by 2 is a constant. Integration of 1 dy is y into dx. Now, applying the limits for y between 0 to b, we obtain the expression as bcx plus b square c divided by 2 plus bc square divided by 2. We need to integrate this expression with respect to x now and apply the limits 0 to a. So integration with respect to x, bc is a constant, writing down as it is. Integration of x dx is x square divided by 2 plus b square c divided by 2 is a constant. Integration of 1 dx is x. Similarly, bc square divided by 2 is a constant, writing down as it is. Integration of 1 dx is x. We need to apply the limits for x between 0 to a. So applying limits between 0 to a with the concept upper limit minus lower limit, we get bca square plus b square ca plus bc square a. Taking abc common, the required answer is abc into a plus b plus c using the Gauss divergence theorem. Thank you for watching.